Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain what is difference between var and dynamic in C Sharp. So let's start. So the first difference between var and dynamic is the var is used to declare a variable without specifying its data type, whereas the dynamic keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold any data type. The second difference is, in case of var, the data type of variable is determined by the compiler based upon the assigned value, whereas in case of dynamic, the data type of variable is determined at the runtime, not at the compile time. That's why the var is called as statically typed variable, whereas dynamic is called as dynamic type variable. The next difference is once var variable is declared, its data type cannot be changed. Whereas in case of dynamic, in case of dynamic variable can change its data type during runtime. In case of var keyword, if variable does not initialize, then it will throw an error. Whereas in case of dynamic, if the variable does not initialize, it will not throw an error. When the var keyword is used, use var when you want a statically typed variable with type inference. For example, if you declare var name equal to Sam, then name is a string. When you declare var age equal to 40, then age is integer. In case of dynamic, you can use dynamic when you need to work with a dynamic data such as JSON or XML, or when you need to change the data type at runtime. Example is dynamic name equal to Sam, the name is string, and then we can change the value of the variable or type of the variable using name equal to 40. Now your name variable is now integer. So these are the differences between var and dynamic keyword in C Sharp. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.